In last lecture, we did Unit 1, Chapter 2, Neha'S alarm clock. In that, we have did Let's Listen and Talk. Okay, so now today we are doing next topic, word building. In that word building, let's see exercise 1. Find the hidden words. Here there are one grid is given. From that grid, you have to find hidden words. जो छुपे हुए words हैं, वो words हमें find करने हैं. Okay? Now look at the words. Into bracket, there are words are given. That words I read one by one. Mother, birds, clock, alarm, happy, morning, holiday, hungry, Sunday. These all words we have to find from these grid. So let's find one by one. First word, mother. So we have to find the word mother from these grid. Where is given the word mother? Yes. Look at the row number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look at the row number 5. Here highlighted letters are given. Okay. So you can easily find from the grid. So in row number 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look at the row number 5. The spelling of mother is given. So we have to encircle the spelling of mother. Okay. Now the next one, birds. The word birds, where is given? Yes. Look at the row number 1. B-I-R-D-S, birds. So we have to encircle the word birds. Next one, clock. Where is the spelling of clock? Yes. Look at the column number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So look at the column number 8. Here spelling of clock is given. So we have to encircle the word clock. Next spelling, alarm. So where is the spelling of alarm? Yes. Look at the third column. 1, 2, 3. Yes. Third column and last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Last fifth row, it is given the spelling of alarm. So we have to encircle the spelling of alarm. Next one, H-A-P-P-Y, happy. Where is the spelling of happy? Look at the second last row. Here it is given the spelling of happy. So we have to encircle the word happy. Next word. Which word is given here? Into the bracket, morning. The word morning we have to find from the grid. So where is given? At the last row. The spelling of morning is given. M-O-R-N-I-N-G. So we have to encircle the word morning. Okay. Next one, holiday. So where is given the spelling of holiday? at the fourth column. Okay. So fourth column में दिया है the spelling of holiday. So we have to encircle the word holiday. Next spelling, which spelling is this? Hungry. So the spelling of hungry, where is given? Look at here, the first column. Here, the spelling of hungry is given. Hungry. Hungry. So we have to encircle the word hungry. Next one, Sunday. So where is given the spelling of Sunday? Find out, everybody. Look at the last third row. Here it is given the spelling of Sunday. So we have to encircle the word Sunday. Okay? So now here all the spellings that are hidden in this grid. ये grid में सारे spellings हैं वो छुपे हुए थे, तो हमने वो ढूंढ लिए. Now here word building we have to complete. Now next point, say aloud. Yes, let's see one by one spelling. O-U-G-H-T, out. O-U-G-H-T, out. O-U-G-H-T, out. Out means want. हमें जो कोई चीज चाहिए तब हम क्या यूज करते हैं? Want. तो वैसे out means want. Next, B-O-U-G-H-T, bought. So ये किसका पास्ट फॉर्म है? बाय. बाय का पास्ट फॉर्म है बॉट. बाय मतलब खरीदना, परचेज करना. सो उसका पास्ट फॉर्म है बॉट. सो B-O-U-G-H-T, बॉट. B-O-U-G-H-T, बॉट. B-O-U-G-H-T, bought. Next one, C-A-U-G-H-T, caught. What do you mean by caught? Caught ये किसका पास्ट फॉर्म है? कैच. कैच का पास्ट फॉर्म है caught. कैच मतलब पकड़ना. C-A-U-G-H-T, caught. C-A-U-G-H-T, caught. C-A-U-G-H-T, caught. Next spelling, matter. Okay, M-A-T-T-E-R, matter. Matter means कोई बाबत. Okay. So here we have to drilling this word. M-A-T-T-E-R, matter. M-A-T-T-E-R, matter. M-A-T-T-E-R, matter. Next word, C-H-A-T-T-E-R, chatter. Chatter means बातें करना. So we have to drill this word. C-H-A-T-T-E-R. 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 Next one, S-H-A-T-T-E-R, shatter. Shatter means तोड़ देना. Now next word, TikTok. We all know TikTok ये किसका साउंड है? घड़ी का. Okay. Next, T-E-L-L, tell, T-O-L-D, told. Tell मतलब कहना. उसका पास्ट फॉर्म है told. Tell, told. Next word, train. We all know about the word train. Train में हम सब लोग जर्नी करते हैं. Okay. Next word, time. हम टाइम किस में देखते हैं? घड़ी में, क्लॉक में. So it is called time. Next, tick tack. Okay. So tick tack, it is a sound. Next, tip tin. So let's speak. Tip tin. Tip tin. Tip tin. Next have to do in this exercise? Yes. We have to write who said this sentence to whom. So, let's see sentence number 1. Wake up, dear. Wake up fast. Yes. In the chapter on page number 7, birds said, wake up, dear. Wake up fast to Neha. Next sentence, Ma, who woke me up today? Yes. In the chapter on page number 8, Neha said, Ma, who woke me up today? To her mother. Next, why do you sleep at 9 every night? In the chapter on page number 9, Mother said, why do you sleep at 9 every night? To Neha. तो यहाँ पे ये सेंटेंस मदर किसको कहते हैं? अपनी डॉटर नेहा को. So here exercise 1 we have to complete. Now let's see exercise 2 of let's write. I read the instruction. Use the help box to fill in the blanks. यहाँ पे हमें help box का यूज करके blanks fill up करनी है. So let's see the help box. Help box में दो वर्ब दिए हैं, was, where. Okay? So you have to use this word in the blanks. So I'll explain where we use the word was. हम was verb कहाँ पे use करेंगे? Yes, in the sentence the subject is given in singular. At that time, after the subject we have to use was. Now where we use where? Yes, where, W-E-R-E, where is a verb. Okay, is the helping verb. So वो हम कहाँ पे use करेंगे? Okay. If the subject is given in plural, at that time we have to use the verb where. So let's see sentence number 1. Ram blank a good football player. Okay. So in this sentence the subject is Ram. Means the subject Ram is given a singular. So which verb we have to use from both? Yes, was or where? We have to use was because here the subject is given plural. That's why here we have to use the verb was. So Ram was a good football player. Next, the cows blank grazing in the field. So from the help box, which verb we have to use? Yes, look at the subject, the cows. Subject is given in plural. So we have to use where. So we have to write here where, W-E-R-E. So the cows were grazing in the field. Next, number 3. My toy is blank broken. So in blank number 3, which word do we have to use? Yes, look at the subject, my toy. Subject is given in plural. Then we have to use where. So write it down in the third blank where. The toys were broken. Next, number 4. Her frock blank too long. In blank number 4, look at the subject. Her frock. Subject is given in singular. So which word we have to use? Yes, we have to use verb was in blank number 4. So write it down was. Her frock was too long. Next, number 5. The market blank closed. subject is given in singular. So we have to use verb was. So write it down here. Was in blank number 5. And we have to read the sentence. The market was closed. Next, sentence number 6. The children blank happy. So look at the subject. The children means subject is given in plural. So which one we have to use in blank number 6? In blank number 6 we have to use the verb were. So we have to write here were. The children were happy. Last sentence. Sentence number 7. The flowers blank kept in a vase. So look at the subject. Subject is given the flowers, given in plural. So which word we have to use? Yes, we have to use the verb were. So write it down here. Were. The flowers were kept in a vase. So we have to complete here exercise 2 of let's write.
आभार।